In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new project, describe your work clearly, and keep everything organized so you can move faster. First, open your browser and go to Claude. You'll land on the main page where you normally start a conversation. If you're asked to sign in, just complete that as usual. Projects live inside the same workspace, so there's nothing extra to install or enable. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the project icon. It's in the sidebar with the rest of your navigation. Click it to open the projects view. Think of this space as your command center for longer efforts. Anything that needs structure, a clear goal, and a place to come back to over time. At the top of the projects view, you'll see a search bar. This lets you quickly find any existing project by name or keyword. As you build more projects, this becomes a real time saver. A practical tip: use consistent descriptive names so future searches are effortless. Include the topic, team, or date if it helps you recognize it at a glance. Now, click New Project. This starts a short setup flow. You're not committing to anything permanent here. You're just giving Claude the context it needs to be helpful from the start. You'll see a prompt that asks, "What are you working on?" Enter a clear, specific title or short description. Aim for a phrase that a teammate could understand without further explanation. For example, instead of something vague, name the artifact or area of work, like product launch checklist or research synthesis. Clarity here makes the project easier to find later and sets the tone for everything inside it. Next, you'll be asked, what are you trying to achieve? This is your chance to define the outcome. Describe the end result you want, the audience it's for, and any important constraints like format, tone, or timeline. The more concrete this statement is, the better Claude can tailor suggestions, structure work, and keep the project on track. Keep it concise, but include the essentials that would help you judge success. When you're happy with both fields, click Create a Project. Claude will generate the project space with your context baked in, so your first messages, drafts, or plans can start from a strong foundation. From here, you can return to the projects view anytime and use the search bar to find and reopen your work. That's it. You've created a focused workspace that keeps your goals clear and your progress organized.